A powerful element of collaboration in Microsoft Excel is the ability to share the worksheet so that you can work on it with somebody else at the exact same time. So to do that, up in the top right, we have a share button. We click on that and we have the ability to copy the link if we want to send it to somebody, link just to this sheet itself, or share. When we click on share, it gives us our share dialog box. And we can say who we want to share it with. We can add a message about sharing, which will be sent to them and they'll read it in their email. Here we can say what we want them to do with it. Do we want them to edit it where they can get in there and do work just the same as us? We can have them view it, or we can also set it so that it can't be downloaded. They can view it, but that's all they can do. They can't download it. And then when you're ready, you have the copy link or send. But we also have a gear right next to copy link. So if I click on that, there's more link settings. So now we can share the link with anyone. That would be our copy link. We just give anyone the link. They don't need to authenticate in. Or we can choose people we want. Again, the can edit, can view, can't download. But here you can also add an expiration date to where they only receive the shareability on this document until you expire it. And you can even set a password on it for increased security. Once you get the settings where you want, that's when you can send it to who you would like, whether it's their email, if they're external, or if they're internal, their username. And then copy the link if you want, or send it. This right here will show you manage access. If this document is shared with anybody, it'll show up right here. Currently, it's locked. This item hasn't been shared yet. But as soon as we share it, it'll show who it's been shared with, so we can manage that access. All right. And that is how we collaborate on a Microsoft Excel worksheet.